In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add timeline view to your Trello boards. This is a really useful feature if you want to see your tasks laid out over time, instead of just as cards and lists. It's perfect for planning projects, tracking deadlines, or simply getting a clearer picture of what's coming up next. First, start by opening the Trello board where you want to use the timeline view. Make sure you're logged into your Trello account. Then head to your workspace and choose the specific board you're working on. This could be a project board, a personal planning board, or anything else you've already set up. Once the board is open, you should see its title near the top of the screen, along with the usual columns of cards underneath. Next, look at the very top of the board, right next to the board name. You'll see an icon or button related to views. Depending on your version of Trello, this might look like a small layout icon or a label that indicates different board views. Go ahead and click on that views icon. This is Trello's way of letting you switch from the classic board layout to other visual formats, such as calendar, table, and of course timeline. When you click the views icon, a menu will appear showing the different available views for your board. Take a moment to look through the list so you get familiar with what's there. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the timeline option. Find the one labeled Timeline in that menu and click on it. As soon as you select Timeline, Trello will switch your board into a horizontal timeline layout. Here, your cards are arranged along a calendar-style bar, showing when work starts and ends. If your cards already have start or due dates, they'll appear in the appropriate place on the timeline. If not, you can click into a card and add dates so it shows up correctly. From here, you can drag cards along the timeline to adjust dates, zoom in or out to see days, weeks, or months, and use this view to plan your projects more effectively. And that's all you need to do to add and use the timeline view on your Trello board.